all the young under 16 or 16-year-old people out there who don't know how to cook Jamaican food. Right. This morning I was showing how to make ackee and saltfish. This is the saltfish. It come like this and it don't get boiled yet. When it boil, it look like this. This is the boiled one we boiled from early this morning. Now, this is how you make ackee and saltfish Jamaican style. Watch me. First, we get some onion. We're going to cut up the onion. So we have to cut it up like this. Be very careful, all you local young people outside who don't know how to use a knife. Be careful how you use your knife. Now, we shred the onion, cut it up fine like this. We get the sweet pepper, and we cut off some of it. We don't wash it already, so we just cut off a piece like this, shred it up again, like that. Okay? We want it fine enough, fine. So once you cut it up fine like that, you put some green pepper with it, and you put piece of red, piece of yellow. Get the thing nice color. Now, you have to cut it up fine like we keep saying. Cut up the vegetable, the peppers and the onion fine. A little piece of the yellow one to give it color, because you know we Jamaicans we like red, green and gold. Right. So we say alright. We cut up with peppers, but we have one secret ingredient so we must put in this. Watch this. This one called the Scotch bonnet. Our hot Jamaican pepper this. A little tip of this. Go in the ackee. I say I use about half of the Scotch bonnet. You don't want to use too much of this because this will burn off your tongue. Alright. What we are going to do now, we are going to bring it all of the seasonings to the frying pan. And we are going to make it go and sizzle. You hear that? It has sizzled in the pan now. So, firstly, we look on the pan like that. And we just turn it. We just give it a little stir like that. We want to make it sizzle. What we are going to add to it now are some black pepper. A little tip of black pepper like that. Just to give the thing flavor. And a flavor enhancer we are going to add to that too. So we got some boom now with the flavor enhancer. Yeah? Alright. We're not cutting it, but we have something cooking in the oven. And I must take it out before it burns. This is my breakfast. This morning, we have an omelette. Egg omelette to my breakfast. Alright, we put that one side. And we go back to the ackee now. Remember I told you about the saltfish? Now we have to spread some of the saltfish, but we have to break it up. So what we do, we just hold it in my hand like this, and we shred it like this over the seasoning. Right?